Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show you how to fade in and fade out in After Effects. And I have two videos here basically showing you what I'm going to try to learn you. I mean, this is something very easy to do. Um, Anyways, here's the first video, and just basically showing you a fade out from start to complete dark. Okay, so that's the first video, and then I have one other here, and it's basically the same thing, but I added some more to it, so it changes between black and the video. But this is a really simple effect, so let's just go ahead and open up After Effects, and here I have the video I'm going to use, and it was the same video I used in both these videos, and I'm just going to add a fading effect and show you how you can do it. Okay, so here we are in After Effects. I'm just going to put it to the side here, and then I'm going to drag my video into this project window, and then I'm going to go to composition, new composition, and here you have like the settings for your video, and you don't have to do as much here in this video. Just one small thing here, the duration of the thing. If you know how long your video are, it's good, you can just input it here. I know this video is going to be 5 seconds, so I'm just going to input it here and go hit OK. And what I'm then going to do is to click on my video and drag it down here, and then I'm just going to resize it to the full size of my project here. Okay, so now we'll just play the video here, and it will basically like load it. But anyways, this is just, I don't move the camera around here, so there isn't much to see. It's like a picture. But what you do is you click here, and then you click on this little arrow here, and go to transform, and click on the opacity, and wherever you want it to start. I want to start here at the beginning. Then you click on this stopwatch, and I want it to end at the end of the video, so I'm just going to drag it to the end, and then I'm going to change the opacity to 0%. So if you drag this little time here, we can see that it's changing. So this is what it's going to look like. So that's it. That's all you have to do to make this simple effect. Then you can just go ahead and render it by go to composition and click on the add to render queue, and I'm just going to click on this output module and change one simple thing, and that's the format options. It's in default mode, it's no compression, and then the file will get really large, so I'm just going to change it to xvid and hit OK, and I won't have any audio, so I won't click this. But if you want audio, you need to click on this here, and then just hit OK, and then you just click on this render here, and it will create the video for you. Here you also I have added the name output to, and it sets that to a default name if you don't put it to anything else. So this is going to put my video on my desktop now, and you can see its render here, and you can see how slow and crappy my computer is because it takes time. I mean, it's just 5 seconds and it takes like forever, like 2 minutes to just create this simple thing. But anyways, I'm just going to stop here because I don't want it, because I already showed you that effect in the first video, comp 1. That's basically how it's going to look like. Anyways, how do you do this second effect that I did? And it was kind of like looking like something like this, like that, like it changing all the time. Well, what you basically just do is go back to your composition, and on this opacity thing, drag this one in here, something like that, and you can see your effect now will be, it will fade to dark and it will be dark forever. What you basically just could do is to copy these two and paste them. Oops, copy, and then you just go on the time somewhere here where you want it to fade back, and just hit Ctrl V, so you paste it. So it will basically look something like this now. And you can do the same thing again, and I'm just going to add it one more time. Okay, so when you're finished, you can just basically click this away, and then you have to go to composition again and add it to your render queue, and just make the same settings again. And let's say you want to render both here. The previous one you also did. You just have to click this here, and you will render both in the queue. So yeah, that's basically everything I had showing you here. So if you like this video, please comment, rate and subscribe, and I see you guys in another tutorial. Bye.